A 27-year-old mother of two was trying to kill her two children by drowning them in a river. The mother, who cannot be named for legal reasons, told her friend, "I have to drown my babies." I'm going to tell you all the details of this heartbreaking story right now on IO. Welcome back to Inform Overload. My name's Charlotte Dobrave. I'm going to introduce you to Buddy, a pit bull who tried to save two boys from being drowned by their own mother in the Murray River. The mother took her two sons to the river and held one of their heads under the water while her other son watched in horror. Buddy dragged one of the children, a 9-year-old boy, out of the river and saved his life. Buddy had grown up around children and has been part of the family since the boys were little. Unfortunately, because Buddy bit one of the boys while he was trying to save him, and he also bit the mother, the possibility of putting him down was very real. Buddy was taken into custody by the Murray River Council on Thursday after the incident, and was still in their custody on Monday afternoon. A petition to brand Buddy a hero and save him from being put down gathered over 50,000 signatures. The Murray River Council decided to return the dog to his family. There was even a trending hashtag Save Buddy. Police officers said that they don't intend to put Buddy down after finding he was acting in reasonable defense of the 9-year-old boy, who is currently recovering in the hospital. The mother of two children has been charged with murder and attempted murder of her two sons. The father of the two children started a GoFundMe page to ask supporters to fund his trip to Queensland to see his son after this horrifying incident. Apparently, he received a ton of public backlash for creating this GoFundMe. He revealed that he never met his children, and all the money raised from the page would go toward getting him to his older son and also to the funeral costs of his other son. The page was successful in gathering the funds, and his father flew to Melbourne on Sunday. On behalf of everyone at IO, our condolences go out to him and the rest of his family and everyone else affected by this terrible tragedy. That is all for now. Thank you for watching IO. You have just been informed.